Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 7 awesome ways you can make money right from your phone. We're talking about side hustles that can earn you some serious cash, all from the palm of your hand. We're gonna break down each money-making method and show you how to get started today. So, if you're ready to start building your bank account, let's get straight to the point and make that cash. Alright, guys, first up is freelancing. This is perfect for anyone with a marketable skill, whether you're a writing wizard, a graphic design guru, or a coding ninja. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are digital marketplaces where you can offer your services to clients worldwide. Sign up, create a professional profile, and start browsing through gigs. You can find everything from writing blog posts to designing logos to creating full-blown websites. You get to set your rates and be your own boss. Once you build up a reputation and some killer reviews, you can start charging premium rates. So, if you're ready to become your own CEO, freelancing is the way to go. Okay, let's get serious for a minute and talk about investing. Thanks to apps like Robinhood and Acorns, investing is now easier and more accessible than ever before. Robinhood lets you buy and sell stocks, options, and even cryptocurrencies, all commission-free. You can start investing with as little as $1 and build a diversified portfolio. Acorns rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change into a diversified portfolio of ETFs. It's like investing on autopilot. You don't even have to think about it. Investing always involves some level of risk, but it's one of the most powerful ways to grow your wealth over the long term. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, download one of these apps and start investing today. Calling all creative souls and DIY enthusiasts. If you love making things with your hands, why not turn your passion into profit by selling your handmade goods online? Etsy is the ultimate online marketplace for all things handmade, vintage, and craft supplies. Setting up an Etsy shop is super easy and affordable. You can create a professional-looking storefront, list your products, and manage orders, all from your phone. The beauty of selling on Etsy is that you get to set your own prices and build a brand around your unique creations. So, if you're ready to share your creative talents with the world, open an Etsy shop today and let your entrepreneurial spirit soar. Alright, let's talk about affiliate marketing, a powerful way to earn passive income by recommending products you love. You partner with a company or brand, promote their products or services on your social media channels, website, or blog, and earn a commission for every sale you generate through your unique referral link. One of the easiest ways to get started with affiliate marketing is through Amazon Associates. Just sign up, find products you love, generate your affiliate links, and share them with your audience. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that simple. With a little effort and consistency, affiliate marketing can become a lucrative income stream that allows you to earn money while you sleep. Last but not least, let's talk about the granddaddy of them all, creating content. In today's digital age, content is king. YouTube is the OG video platform, and it's still going strong. Whether you're a natural entertainer, a skilled educator, or a passionate gamer, there's an audience out there waiting to discover your channel. From ad revenue to sponsorships to merchandise sales, there are multiple ways to monetize your YouTube content. TikTok is another powerhouse platform that's all about short-form, engaging videos. From brand partnerships to the Creator Fund, there are opportunities to earn serious cash if you can crack the TikTok code. So, embrace your inner content creator, share your passions with the world, and watch as your creativity opens up a world of possibilities. There are endless opportunities to earn extra cash in today's digital age. Remember, the key is to find something you enjoy, put in the effort, and stay consistent. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your phone, start exploring these money-making opportunities, and watch as your bank account grows.